Alright guys, this is a case study for a t-shirt campaign that I ran in the Guns Second Amendment niche. The concept was really funny and of course at the same time controversial. You can give a piece a chance. I'll cover you if it doesn't work out. For this case study, I found an image meme on the web that was related to the Guns Second Amendment niche. Unfortunately, I didn't save the original image, but I know for a fact that it had an incredible amount of likes and shares and many comments. Remember, you always want to give a closer look at the shares, likes, and comments to see if an image or meme can be easily swiped for your design concept. So I immediately thought that this was going to be a huge concept for my next design, and I started taking inspiration from that meme and recreated something similar. I then created a shirt that was supporting the Second Amendment, which is a very controversial niche. You can see it right here, and this was the concept with the gun right there. It sold 291 units, and I made $4,624 in profits. It was incredibly successful, probably because of the concept, the funny joke. This was one of my most successful ones, and the reason I believe it sold quite well is because I picked up, first, a very controversial niche, and second, I kind of mixed it with a funny joke. You know, it's like the gun, the weapon that is going to take care of you. So if you remember, I mentioned countless times that when you pick your niche, you need to keep in mind some important factors that are crucial for the success of your campaigns. One of these, and most important, is passion engagement. You want a niche where the participants are passionate, engaged about the subject, one where people talk to each other about the niche. Even better if they are highly active on social media, exchanging thoughts, ideas, comments, etc. regarding the Guns Second Amendment niche. This is what it's all about. It is very social, with plenty of Facebook fan pages of people talking, commenting, and supporting the Second Amendment. Plus, gun rights is a very controversial subject where people are literally battling themselves for it. Now, I want to show you the exact copy that I used for this very successful campaign. Pretty simple: support the Second Amendment, it's our right, wear it loud, wear it proud, act now, don't delay, not sold in stores, guaranteed safe and secure checkout via PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, click buy now to pick up your sites and order. It's the same as the previous ones. You don't have to change it every time, just swipe it, as I said. And for this shirt, I selected different options and styles. As you can see here, I used the premium ring spoon tee, Gildan heavy blend hoodie, Gildan 6-1 long sleeve, Gildan women's relaxed tee, fruit of the loom tee. Plus the colors that I used for these shirts were black and blue. Now I want to show you the exact numbers of the ad that I set up for this campaign. I named my ad campaign Support Second Amendment, and my budget for the ad was a little higher this time. I spent $2,482 on the ad. Once again, I set up both desktop and mobile ad sets. Post engagements were 53,279. The ad reach was 5,025, 44600. Frequency 1.19. The average cost per post engagement was 7 cents. The actual copy now that I created for the Facebook post, as you can see below, is nothing complicated. Are you a proud American? Support your stance on the Second Amendment with this tee. It's our right. Purchase yours here. You can insert your tee campaign link right there. Premium USA print, not sold in stores. This will sell out. And then you insert your t-shirt image right there with just a black border around it inside your Facebook post. So yeah, before showing you the targeting, I want to tell you that since this was a very controversial and social topic, my post got a lot of shares, over 5,000 I believe, and a ton of free traffic. Plus my post had over 400 comments and more than 13,000 likes. It was insane, literally. The secret here was a very controversial subject like I said, along with a funny joke. You want to find a subtopic on a very controversial niche, like guns rights, police brutality, abortion, for example, to make sure your campaign can be very successful. There are plenty of topics out there. You just need to realize that this game can ever be saturated because of the endless ramifications that each and every niche out there has. Now the targeting, the exact targeting IDs for I did for this campaign. I only targeted men. My potential audience was 190,000 people from the United States speaking English, and the placements were on newsfeed for mobile devices. I only targeted the United States here, males, age range 21-64. Here are all the interest targets that I used for this ad. Mainly, let's say, gun brands. Okay, protect the Second Amendment. Those were the interests. Second Amendment, I stand with the Second Amendment. Then I targeted a list of guns rights associations and several different firearms brands like Got Guns Incorporated, Guns, Guns.com, Guns and Patriots, DPMS, Car Arms, Sig Sauer, Merlin, Heckler and Koch, Mossberg and Sons, Walter Arms, National Association for Gun Rights, Adcore Defense, Swiss Arms, and on. Les Bear, Frankie, Alexander Arms, Smith Wesson, Henry Benelli, Bushmaster Firearm International, Winchester, Beretta, Beretta USA, and on. All gun brands. So my final ad looked exactly like this. Okay, this was I just took this directly from my Facebook ad account. As you can see, it's very simple. Sites at 190,000. Location living in the United States. Those are all the interests plus gun brands. Age 21-64. Placements on newsfeed on mobile devices. And the ad spend for this campaign, like I said, was $2,482.16, and the revenue for this campaign was $4,624.07. So I ended up making a net profit of $2,141.91, which is absolutely not bad. All right, so that's it for this case study. As you can see, I did pretty well from a free design I found online. Okay, like I just found a meme and I just created my own design. Try to create text-based designs if you can, because they sell like hotcakes. In fact, the majority of best-selling t-shirt campaigns are text-based designs. And as you can see, this campaign was pretty much text-based, okay, except for the gun. But memes, quotes, and funny jokes are absolutely fantastic text-based sellers and easily swipeable. Okay, have a look on Facebook. There are literally hundreds and even thousands of memes shared that you can put your own spin on, and just do exactly as I just showed you in this case study. Get inspiration from memes and images to create your awesome campaigns.